Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the IP address on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Then right next to your Wi-Fi network, tap on the Information button. From here, scroll down and go down to the IP address section. And here it will show you the IP address that your phone has been assigned to. So this iPhone has been assigned to the IP address 192.168.1.136. So that is my IP address on this iPhone right here. And in here you can also view some additional information about your Wi-Fi network, such as the router address and the subnet mask that has been used. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.